Hi, I'm Lori Fangio with Around the Table, and I'm a food blogger and chef instructor. And today I'm in the kitchen showing you how to make red potatoes with fresh herbs. It's a super simple side dish packed with fresh flavor. So I'm in the kitchen and I'm just preparing my red potatoes, and all I'm doing is just slicing them in half and then cutting them in a little bit bigger than bite-sized pieces. I like my potatoes to all be about the same size because that helps with cooking. They'll all cook at about the same rate. And basically what we're going to do here is we're just going to roast these with some olive oil, garlic, and fresh herbs. And the garlic and the fresh herbs are what's going to give this dish really amazing fresh flavor. So once I have my potatoes all cooked, I'm just going to put them on a pan that I've lined with foil. That just makes for easy cleanup, and I like that. I'm just going to take 1 clove of garlic, and I'm just going to crush it with my garlic press. I really like to use a garlic press because it gets all that great flavor out of the garlic. I'm just going to put it there on the pan, and I'm going to go on with some rosemary. Rosemary is such a classic flavor to be served along with potatoes, or actually a classic flavor to use as seasoning. And so I want to use quite a bit of rosemary, and this is the way I like to chop it. I just think it's the fastest to use kitchen shears. I also have some fresh thyme, and I'm just going to put a little bit of fresh thyme in like so. And then we can't forget our salt and pepper. I mean, this is really the only chance we're going to have to salt our side dish here. So I want to put a generous amount of salt, and I like to use sea salt because I just think it tastes the best. And then some freshly ground pepper, and again, I really enjoy the flavor of freshly ground pepper. It adds so much. So get a grinder if you don't already have one. And then what's going to pull this all together is the olive oil. And so I'm just going to stream the olive oil on the pan, and you really just, the best way to get this done, to get this mixed in, is just to use your hands. And so basically what you want to do is get all of the potatoes coated with the oil, the salt, the pepper, and the herbs. And then once you've done that, you can put this into a 450-degree oven and roast these for about 20 to 25 minutes until the potatoes are nice and tender. Once the potatoes come out of the oven, your home is going to be filled with the most delightful aroma. They're going to be a delicious side dish to any main course. And again, I'm Lori Fangio, and we've been in the kitchen making red potatoes with fresh herbs. Take a little time to get your family around the dinner table tonight. You'll be glad you did.